Good morning. I'm on a sheep station. Nope, not playing Monopoly. I'm here on a private property and it is beautiful. Here for a solo overnight swag camp, so let's get set up.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
Oh, just about set up. Well, this is camp. My swag, have my awning, and I have my loo. And yeah, what a beautiful place this is. And my own little fire pit. And down here is a creek that apparently has brown trout, yellowfin. And I didn't bring a rod, but next time I absolutely will. How gorgeous is this? And camp is just up here. Yep, this is me for the night. It's a tough gig.
strong faith, close family, choosing love in the midst of tragedy. When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. 'Cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life. We moved west towards the city. Grew up fast and got.
So the owner of this gorgeous property has pointed me towards an old bluestone hut. So I just have to jump the fence behind me and follow the creek around. And yeah, let's go have a look. So I'm just following this creek along. Not sure if you can see the car in the background. And the bluestone hut is just around there. Pretty cool, huh? It smells so fresh. It smells of sheep, but I actually really like that smell. Reminds me of growing up. Those beautiful gum trees on the creek there. And not anyone for miles. Goodness, how fancy is this? So I forgot about this little spider stove. It was on special at Anaconda, so I picked one up yesterday. But yeah, it I don't know how it works. There we go. Beautiful.
I've been dreaming with nowhere to go. Running reverse, my eyes are closed. I'm always singing New York. I'm always singing New York. Tell me what to do. I'm searching for you through lights in the city. I'm coming for you. Nothing I can't do for life in the city. All my life I've been waiting.
Old fat unicorn. Kind of fitting. And delicious. So for dinner tonight, I'm having some steak, which is still a little bit frozen, with some bagel seasoning. It's really delicious, that stuff. Some potatoes that I'm going to fry up in a little bit of olive oil, and some feta salad with some homemade dressing that I've made there. Yeah, so let's get cooking. And while that oil is heating up, I reckon I'll have me one of these. A tequila margarita. Cheers. All right, let's put that steak on. So I reckon I'll just finish off that steak in the pan. Those potatoes are looking awesome. Yum. Yum. Well, it's starting to get damp now and the temperature's really dropping, so I've rugged up. I've got my Jack Stillman poncho, oilskin poncho on, so it'll keep me nice and warm and dry. So I've just got a hot chocolate and I'm going to sit around the fire for a little while and then I'll head off to bed. So I'll see you in the morning. Oh wow, what a beautiful morning. I had the best sleep. I went to bed about 7 to watch a movie. I woke up at 9, then I woke up at 5, then I woke up at 8. That's the longest I've slept in, I can't even remember. Let's go and have a look at the creek. You can see a lot of steam mist coming up from it. I hope you can hear those beautiful warbling magpies. I just love waking up to them. Alrighty, well, I'm going to pack up now. I've had breakfast, had my cuppa, feeling a little bit warmer. So I'm going to pack up. I'm not going to film packing up because everything's wet. I'm just going to bundle it in the car and dry it out when I get home. This has been such an amazing 24 hours. This place is just beautiful. I felt completely safe here. I really, really loved it. I can't wait to come back. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this camp as much as I did, and I shall see you on the next one. Oh, and the next one will probably be in the Victorian High Country, so keep an eye out for that. See you later.